How to enable push notifications on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can enable push notifications on your OnlyFans account. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com. Then press enter to search it. Here, make sure you are logged into your account. There are two ways to go to the notifications area here. At the left side, you will find various options. You can also see the notification option just below home. Simply tap on it and then you will find the settings icon at the right side of the notification option. Click on the settings and here you will get the push notification options. Click on push notification. Inside it you will see a toggle button which is currently turned off by default. If you want to enable this notifications, you just simply have to toggle this button and enable it. After doing so, you will start getting notifications on what's going on when you're not on your OnlyFans. Another way, you can also come to the settings by clicking on this My Profile option from the left side, then clicking on this Edit Profile, and finally the notifications option from here. So in this way you can enable push notifications on OnlyFans. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.